Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide Me Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete every email from one sender in Gmail and also how to stop that sender from ever reaching your inbox again. If you're tired of spam, newsletters, or just want a cleaner inbox, this will take care of it fast. As you can see, I'm already on my Gmail account using a PC. If you're on your phone using the Gmail app, the steps are different. I've made a separate video just for that. You can check the link in the description below to learn how to do it on your phone. Now, back to the desktop version. The first thing I'm going to do is right-click on any email from the sender I want to remove. Then I'll choose Find Emails from this sender. Gmail now shows me every message I've ever received from that person. If you want to delete these messages, go ahead and click the checkbox at the top to select them. If Gmail shows Select All Conversations, click that too. Then hit the trash icon and confirm. That deletes all the emails from that sender and sends them to the trash folder where they'll stay for 30 days in case you want to recover them. But I'm not doing that, at least not yet. Instead of just deleting everything right now, I'm going to show you a better solution. This will not only remove their emails, but also prevent them from ever landing in your inbox again. While I'm still on this list of emails, I'll hover over one of the messages, and on the right-hand side, if it's a newsletter or a mailing list, you'll usually see an unsubscribe button. I'm going to click that first. Most of the time, this will stop future emails from coming in, but not always. Some senders ignore unsubscribe requests. So to make sure Gmail blocks them completely, I'm going to create a filter. Still on this search page, I'll click the small Show Search Options icon next to the search bar, then click Create Filter. On the next screen, I'll check Delete It and also check Also Apply Filter to matching conversations. Then click Create Filter. This deletes all existing emails from that sender and automatically deletes any future ones too, so they never appear in your inbox again. Gmail may take a few seconds to complete the process depending on how many emails there are. Once that's done, I'll go to the trash folder. All of their emails will be there. If I'm sure I don't need them, I'll click Empty Trash Now and confirm to delete everything permanently. At any point, if I want to receive emails from that sender again, I can easily remove the filter. I just click the Settings icon, then go to See All Settings. I open the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab, find the filter related to that sender, and click Delete. After that, Gmail will start showing their emails again. And that's it. Now you know how to delete all emails from one sender in Gmail and block them permanently so they never fill your inbox again. If this helped, give the video a like and subscribe to Guide Me Tutorials for more simple and powerful tech tips. See you in the next one.